Hi, my name is Ethan Welty, and I'm a product and go-to-market manager at Assemble, and we're a compensation management platform that helps forward-thinking people teams attract and retain top talent. We needed to add our customers' employee data, which includes things like full names, job titles, salaries, and more from their HRIS, and bring it into Assemble. It was also important for us to keep this data synced in frequent intervals. That way, our customers could easily compare the compensation bands that live in our platform against the employee compensation data that we're importing through Merge from their HRIS. We also needed to integrate with our customers' ATS because one of our products, Illustrative Offers, uses candidate information, and then we combine that with our compensation bands in the platform to build these really beautiful illustrative offers that help increase candidate close rates. As a startup, we have constrained developer resources, and we need to focus on our core product more than building integrations. That's especially the case when integrating with HRIS and ATS. They're very fragmented landscapes. There's always a new HRIS or ATS being built, and it would be really difficult and time-consuming for our engineers to constantly maintain and build those new integrations. So we started to look for third-party solutions to solve this problem. Once we went to the market, we found that Merge offered the most HRIS and ATS integrations. They had a lot of intuitive tooling to help folks like myself actually handle and set up those integrations instead of our engineers having to maintain them. And so that made the decision really easy around going with Merge over the competition. Since building to Merge's unified API, we can add additional HRIS and ATS integrations very quickly. Our customers themselves usually can add these integrations, and it doesn't take any additional effort from someone like myself or our engineers. This makes it really easy to continue to scale quickly, to onboard new customers fast, and decrease our overall activation times with new customers, which is something that I definitely appreciate. I'm also able to use Merge's integration observability tooling to detect any sort of integration issues or data fixes that need to be made. And this reduces the time it takes for us to solve our own customer tickets. Since it's very easy to add new integrations with Merge, we're actually able to save around 10 hours a week of engineers' time, which is super impactful in terms of both cost and general productivity at Assemble. We also use Merge's field mapping tool to map custom HRIS and ATS fields from customers with their Merge common model. This lets us provide tailored integrations for important customers, and as a result, we're able to provide them with a great experience and make sure that our product is really serving their specific needs. We're planning on expanding the ATS integration by syncing more fields like proposed salary and location. This will help the recruiters that use our Illustrative Offers product generate those offers even quicker and improve the overall user experience. Given the great success we've had with Merge so far, I'm very confident that this will go well.